What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I just want to throw a quick video together. I'm actually going to be adding the 345 emblems to the side of the car here, right above the Hemi. I know there's a few videos out there already, but you know, I haven't really seen too many with the red on red, I guess you'd say. So I have them right here. I went ahead and took them out of the package so you can see them. They're really, really nice. They're heavy, so I know they're good quality. So we'll go right about here. I think that'll be sweet. Alright everyone, so I've already washed and waxed the car, make sure the surface was clean. So now all I'm going to do now is this stuff has the 3M tape on the back. You just want to take what the numbers are and not take all the rest of it off. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I just took the part off with the numbers. I left the other parts on. It comes with this pretty good template. So all you have to do is just line up right on top. Line it with a 3 where that bend is right there. And all you do is gotta lay it down. Make sure she's even. Press it firmly here. And then it should just kind of peel right back. Alright, so there you go. There is some still in here, so you may need to get a toothpick or some device that's not sharp and just peel that stuff off. But it should come off pretty well, pretty easily, but real simple. There you go. Alright everybody, so I went ahead and cleaned it up after they were put on. I have to say it looks really good. I used a little bit of bug and tar remover to get the sticky off. A little bit of left, sticky on here. There's still a little bit, but once I put the bug and tar remover on there, it took it right off. Cleaned it up really good. So I had to use a toothpick to kind of get in between the little crevices there, because it's tight. So, but the toothpick worked great. So there you go. If you would, please hit that subscribe button, leave any comments you want to, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.